Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will gonna unbox the MacBook Pro 2023 14-inch 32GB RAM. I've decided to pull the trigger and buy a brand new laptop. Well, because my old one is like 6 years old and doesn't really handle very good with editing videos. So I've decided to break the bank and buy a new laptop. My girlfriend, she's really upset about that, but let's have a look what I got in this box. Oh, it's nice. That's as a box for the MacBook. Looks a bit squashed. It's been delivered by DPD and I'm really upset about them. They're not really professional. And I was waiting for them like for 2 days to get this MacBook, and because tomorrow I have a flight to go back because I'm getting married and I won't be able to make any videos for like 2-3 weeks. So let's have a look at this laptop. So yes guys, I'm very excited about this laptop. So let's have a look what's inside the box. And unboxing. I'm gonna put this one down. Oh my god, it looks stunning. At the laptop itself, I think it's pretty small. It's a 14-inch. It's a very small laptop. I mean, I got here 15. I mean, my laptop, Windows laptop, is 17-inch, but this one is 14-inch. I don't know how I'm gonna cope with this. So I got a charger here, which is very good. Yeah, the cable, and that's it, nothing more. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's 14-inch, 32GB unified memory and 1TB SSD, as you can see here. Alright, let's put this one on the side. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need this, and I need this. This is what I needed. Right. Oh my god. MacBook Pro. There you go. Here you go guys. My new laptop. Let's have a look at the quality. The quality looks alright. And let's open this laptop. Wow. Whoa. It's a welcoming. You can see here. And it's loading now. I'm gonna rip this one off. Hello. Haha. Here you go guys, my new laptop. Hopefully this will last me 6 years at least, hopefully. So yeah, thanks again guys for watching my video. If you're happy with my videos, if you liked this video, feel free to subscribe, and if you have any questions, just ask below and I'll reply to you back. I purchased this laptop mainly to do videos, so videos for YouTube. So I really hope this video is gonna help me growing my YouTube channel and creating more content online. Thanks again guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.